A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. This is Decor Life signing in once again in front of you. Welcome back to the channel, viewers. Hope you all are fine. May Allah Almighty bless you always with a prosperity, health and wealth. Ameen summa ameen. Viewers, onto the screen you are watching a very wonderful and the very beautiful, the bright color ideas of bird cage centerpieces, which you like in this video. So watch the video till end. Enjoy these great eye candy bird cage centerpieces ideas, and if you like one of the idea from this video, then write us in the comment section, or if you like the video, then don't forget to press the thumbs up button. And if you don't like the video, then don't forget to press also the thumbs down button, so that we can know that how many people like the video and dislike the video. Now let's move on to watch a wonderful ideas, eye candy ideas of great centerpieces, which is made up of bird cage, and all of the ideas are very incredible, stunning and wonderful. But you will find many ideas with the bright flower contrasts, or some are with the beige contrasts, and all they look very nice and very unique. The arrangement of flowers inside the cage or outside the cage are the stunning, and the contrasts used in type of flowers and contrasts used are very unique. Everyone loves it like that, pink, yellow, white, and gives a wonderful look. And into the some cages you will find birds also, or into some cages you will find the candles. Some are placed onto the mirror glass plate, or some are onto the vintage. So all the ideas are stunning, and wonderful style, and the golden one. Viewers, mostly the people want the golden color cages just because it gives a luxurious look to the cages, or some goes with the white color and some goes with the black color, and the totally luxurious pieces are of with the crystals and gives a stunning look. All the things gives a stunning look. And viewers, these cages are totally handmade. Just they are made up of the some are made up of it brass or metal, some are of it woods, and Very nice, very beautiful one. The contrasts of roses and many other plants gives a wonderful look for the arrangement of flowers. Viewers, here you have to write us that from where you are watching, from which city, and from which country you are watching, so that we can give you a lot of love and a thanks from the bottom of our heart for watching us, for supporting our videos. On the daily basis by watching our videos, and give some extra favor. Write us that which idea you like the best and the most in the video, and this one is wonderful with the butterflies. These are the hanging cages. And this is also blue color. The contrast of the bright flowers gives a wonderful look. And now in front of you LED lights are present into the cages, gives a wonderful look. Amazing styles. Amazing one. Viewers, here I am going to remind you about the subscription of the channel. If you are not subscribed yet, then subscribe it first, and don't forget to follow the channel by clicking and pressing the bell icon also. Viewers, visit the channel for more trending ideas of the interiors, decorations, centerpieces, pot planters are present. And write us that which thing you want to watch onto our channel, from the interiors, pot planters, decoration pieces. Share my channel with your friends and family, and the social media which is used by yourself. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. We'll be right back with the new interesting ideas. Till then, remind us in your prayers. Hope you liked the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Then write us. Bye bye. Take care. Stay tuned.